You threw the matches on the garden, then you smiled, said, watch it grow. All our petals turned to warnings, curling in that crooked glow. We were roses in a fire tornado, spinning through a sky gone strange, beautiful and way too fatal, kissing in the center of the flame. We were roses in a fire